This is wild. So, worked on the clutch. You see the clutch over there. Worked on the clutch, and then I took off the flywheel. And of course, it's got junk inside, metal shavings and stuff, right? And then more concerning than that, check this out. The goddamn Novi nut broke. How much force is on that for it to break, right? I said, why is it always sound like it's falling apart? And even though I thought it was a clutch, I can hear stuff in here making noise. I said, what is it? And then I look at the cover. This is the standard cover, right? The cover, there's a groove in here, because I think that the cover, even though it's a stock cover, was so tight when placed on here that it was binding against the Novi nut and grinding up the flywheel and the points and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this Novi nut a little bit, you know, just to get the sharp edge off so I don't catch my toe on it and sever my toe or something like that through the shoe. And this still holds 10 millimeter. It'll still tighten with a 10 millimeter, and run it without the cover for a minute and see what's going on with this thing. Could it be as simple as this little plastic cover is putting enough torque on this thing? Remember, it's only a 50cc engine, that it's putting enough torque on it. It's binding it when it's against there so much that it is putting tension on here and causing everything to self-destruct. You can see the holes are elongated, right? Those aren't supposed to be elongated. That's not how it was when I got it. And also the little pins in here, those are not sharp. Those little pins or nips or whatever they are. So eventually those things are going to wear down to nubs or to nothing, and it's not going to hold in there. And it could be as simple as the cover is too tight and binding. That is crazy, but it's one of the joys of working on mopeds, and especially a Moby. All right, more will be revealed. Let you know how this thing runs. Out. I don't know, guys, that might have been it. Could it be something as silly as not having that cover on there and not binding against the flywheel to make the difference? Because I don't hear any noise out of that clutch. It never used to make a noise when it was going fast, or not that much. But at slow speeds, you know, idling like this, it was not like it was going to blow up. It doesn't, I don't hear any noise out of it. Tiniest ting ting ting, but man. Could it be something so simple? God, these things never cease to amaze me with all the little things that can screw you up. I'm not going to say never, but that is pretty good. I'd still like to put a cover in there because I don't like that flywheel out there in the breeze. But I would probably put something to extend it so it's stuck out, you know, a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, so that it doesn't rub against the cover and bind it up and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, more adventures in motorized bike and moped building. OG Big T over and out.